Hi dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So today I am going to start here this question number 10 of worksheet 1 DAV Maths class 8 chapter 4 and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So this is our question number 10. Our question number 10 is a dealer finds that 48 refined oil cans of 5 liter each can be packed in 8 cartons of the same size. How many such cartons will he require to pack 216 cans? In this question we have asked to, or we have given that a dealer finds that 48 refined oil cans can be packed in 8 cartons. Means here 48 oil cans can packed in 8 cartons. In this we have asked to find that how many cartons we require to pack 216 cans. In this question we have to firstly make a table here. So I make table first here. Our first is number of cans. Here I write here number of cans. Number of cans. In next line I write here number of cartons. Number of cartons. Here number of cans are 48. So I write 48 here and number of cartons are 8 cartons. In next line I write here this is given that 216 cans here. So I write this 216 in the line of this number of cans is equal to here 216 and we have to let here the another box, this is X here. In this we have to find the number of cartons here. Number of cartons to pack 216 can, let it be X here. So from here this 48 is less than this 216. 48 is less than this 216. 8 cartons are used to pack 48 oil cans. Here so this 8 is smaller than this 48 and number of cartons here are 8 and number of cans are here 48 and 216 is more than this 48. Here the quantity is increasing. Here the quantity is increasing. From here 48 is less than this 216 and from here the quantity is increased, and for 48 oil cans 8 cartons are used. So here the quantity of cans, refined oil cans are more. So here the number of cartons will also more. So this quantity will also increase here. So it is a case of direct variation. In this both quantities are increasing. I write here in this both two quantities are increasing. So it is a case of direct variation. VARIATION, direct variation, and we know that the formula of direct variation, we calculate direct variation by this method. X upon y is equal to k constant. So from here I write here 48 upon 8 which is equal to 216 upon x here. Now by cross multiply, x multiply by 48 is equal to 8 multiply by 216. From here we calculate the value of x. From here I write here x is equal to this one, 8 multiply by 216 upon the 48 is here in the multiplication, then it becomes in division here. So I write 48 here, 8 plus 4 12, divisible by 2, 6 plus 1 7, 8 9, but even number at the ones place, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again divisible by 2, 4 is a even number, 8 is a even number, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 3, then 7 plus 2 3, divisible by 3, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, divisible by 3, here 6, divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Here this is a odd number, this is even number, so 9 is not divided by 2 completely. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 here. Then our answer is x is equal to this 4 multiplied by this 9 here. 4 multiplied by 9. X is equal to 9 fours are 36. So number of cartoons in which we packed the number of refined oil cans are 216, and for 216, from here now we calculate the answer here, that is our 36. So 36 cartoons will he require to pack 216 cans. So 36 cartoons are our answer of this question. So that's all in today's video. Stay connected with us for more question answers or next worksheet and next chapter. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So that's all in today's video.